Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indira here, and today in this video I'm going to be sharing my review about the Kay Beauty's latest launch, which is the Hydrating Foundation. And in this video I will be telling you all of the features that they have, the ingredients that they've used, and what are the claims are, and whether they live up to the expectations or not. So stay tuned to watch the entire video. And also, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. This will mean a lot to me if you do so. It will motivate me to make such videos in future as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first let me talk about the salient features that they have in this foundation. So the main feature that they have in this foundation is the hydrating factor, and they have been saying a lot about it because it is one of those foundation which will give you an instant glow with the application and keeping the hydration intact. So yes, that is one of the main features that they have. And in their ingredient list, I'm just going through their website and seeing that in the ingredient list they have included avocado butter, which is an excellent source of hydrating the skin, and they have also used mango butter, which provides a deep hydration to all of your skin and makes it smooth and supple and all of that. So these are the two main ingredients. And also, which I find over here, is hyaluronic acid, which is uh, which is a super amazing ingredient for in order to retain the moisture in your skin. So these are the three main ingredients that they have used in making these foundations. And then comes the formula and features, which I'll be telling you in a bit. But in this range they have about 20 shades for all skin types, and they have divided their foundation into 4 different categories: light, medium, tan and deep. And also they have used the shades in such a manner that they have covered all the undertones which are there, like pink, yellow and neutral. So they have 3 different undertones which they have come up with different shades. So I'm damn sure that you will get one of your matches very easily. There are some amazing deep shades and amazing light shades as well, so you will definitely find one match for you. Next factor that comes to my mind is the formulation of these foundations. Now the foundations that I received, the shades that I received, are in 190 white deep, which is this one. And this looks very yellow because it's in the name, it's Y, so this will be perfect for deeper skin tones. And then I've received this shade, which is in the tan category, and this is 165 N tan, which stands for neutral. The undertone here is neutral. And then the medium shade that I've received is 140p medium, which is this one. And this is a pink undertone, and this is the one that I've used today for my face makeup. And though I'm not a pink undertone person, but I think it's suited quite well because I'm a neutral undertone, and I think both of the undertones suits me quite well. So yeah, this is the third shade. And the final shade will be this one, which is in the light category, and the shade name is 115p light. So yeah, these are the 4 shades. And when it comes to the finish and the formulation, you can definitely see that the face is not very matte and all of that, and it is very glowy. So now let's talk about the claims that they give. So the first claim that they give is natural hydrated dewy finish, which I absolutely agree with. It gives a very nice and dewy finish to the skin. As the name suggests, it's about hydration, so yes, it does. And it gives a natural to high buildable coverage to achieve all levels of coverage. That is true. Now natural to high buildable coverage is what the name suggests, and I totally agree with it, because it is not a high coverage foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation. It is just the natural and light to medium coverage foundation. And if you're a person who loves that sort of coverage and that sort of finish, you must definitely go ahead and try this out. And the next thing that they claim is lightweight and second skin feel, which I also agree with. And now the formulation and everything is very lightweight. I built it up. The coverage that you see now, it's not just I have used it once, this is actually thrice. I have used the foundation thrice on my face to get this sort of a coverage, and I don't feel, you know, anything heavy, anything, you know, something which is cracking on my face or something. It's just very nice and very, you know, skin like. So yeah, overall I do like this foundation, and for the application you must check out the upcoming clips. Right, so I've already prepped my skin, and this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this cardboard box with a shade name on top, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle with a pump packaging, and this is the swatch of the foundation shades that I received, and I got my match and I'll be using that shade on my face. Now on the this side of my face I will be using this brush for the application, and on the other side I'll be using a sponge so that you can see how the finish is like. And as you can see, the shade is a little pink for me because I'm a neutral undertone, and somehow I managed to work it out. But then this is how the first layer looks like. It literally looks like your skin and gives a really nice hydrated look as well. This is the second coat of the foundation that I'm using on my face, and you can literally see how glowy my skin looks right now, and I haven't used any moisturizer or any sort of those things. So yes, this is how the finish is, and this is a closer look of my bare skin and the skin with the foundation. Now I'll be using this same technique. I'll be using 2 layers of this foundation on this side of my face with a beauty sponge. And this is how my face with the foundation looks like. It looks really nice and really hydrated and glowy at the same time, and I feel this will suit a lot of skin tones and a lot of skin types as well. And yes, this is the final look after finishing off the entire face makeup. I really liked how the finish is of this foundation and how it looks. So yes, this was about it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful too. And if you like this video, make sure to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.